on today's episode in Lost in Camp.
Okay, diretso. Tayo.
Today, we are talking on one of McLean Creek's most talked about trails, the route to the top of the world. It's tight, rugged, and not exactly full-size friendly, but we're sending anyway. From rock shelves to muddy climbs and a sketchy bypass around Dragon's Back, the trail throws everything at you, so buckle up. This is not your average Sunday drive. Yo, what's up mga bay? It's Christian from Lost in Camp. So yeah, we're here at McLean. Air down lang kami. And we're gonna try to hit the top of the world. See you guys in the trail. Peace. What's up, Joe?
Heading down. What's up, vlog? Okay, ready na.
Alright. We took the trail to the top of the road in McLean Creek around 4 in the afternoon. Tight,
guys.
narrow,
We're
and
entering
honestly,
the trail now.
it's sketchy for a full-size ramp. Right from the start, pinstripes, tight trees on both sides. The trail wasn't made for rigs this
We're
wide.
just taking the trail slowly.
The first obstacle, solid rock shelf, no warm-up, just straight into it.
Easy. Basic. Basic.
Right after that, a short muddy climb, slick and slippery, and just when you think you're done, another shelf waiting for your bumper.
Momentum. Oops. That's good, Joe. That's good. Easy. Confident boost na ba yun?
Confident booster na to.
So yeah, just an update. So nasa gitna na kami ng trail, guys. So may mga few obstacle na kami nalagpasan. And meron pa kaming isa dito. Quite stiff. Meron pa kami isa dito na akitin. It's quite stiff but all goods. Black War.
Lost and Camp.
Guys, ito na naman kami sa mga sanga-sanga.
Hey guys, just a quick update. So nandito na ata kami sa pinaka-challenging na obstacle. So kailangan ko lang ng spot. Tingnan nyo to, guys. Check this out. See this? Ayan o. Tsaka nandun. That one there. So yun, nakakyatin lang natin. Tingnan natin yung kasama natin to spot us, to pick our line. Okay, good luck.
Silipin ko rin dito. Basta slow lang. Tapos pag ganito ka. Okay, diretso. Dito konti. Okay, diretso. Layo. Yeah, keep that line. Good. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy.
Sige men, driver pa men, driver. Oh, yan. Sige, straight. Sheesh!
We choose the bypass at Dragon's Back.
Now, guys.
I wasn't confident that the Ram could take it, not with no skids or underbody protection. Sometimes, the smarter move is knowing when not to push it. We made it through and finally arrived what they call top of the world. And yeah, the view made it worth every scrape and dent.
Yes guys, we made it. We're on top of the world. Check out the view. We made it with this full size 1500, and we got a Jeep over there. It's Jojo's Jeep. What's up, Ja?
We're on the top of the world, guys. Literal top of the world. Nasa tuktok kami ng bundok.
Intense. Ala, basic lang sa Jeep yan.
Woo!
Jo, paalam. Bye-bye.
Okay ka na.
Ayoko, dito lang ako.
But the trail wasn't done with us yet. 2 more tricky obstacles, off-camber turns, roots, and a narrow line between a tree and a drop.
Okay, direct ko lang yan. Driver pa konti.
We had to spot each other carefully, especially going downhill on the other side.
Driver.
Teamwork made the difference.
Driver pa konti. Okay, slow. Up, driver pa konti. Yeah. Slow. Sige, diretso lang. Okay, go lang. Straight na konti. Okay, go. Driver konti. Driver konti. Yan. Slow. Slow lang ha. Okay, straight na. Straight konti. Straight pa. Yan. Slow. Passenger konti. Okay, go. Pag drop na yung ano mo, driver ha. Driver wheel mo. Slow na. Diretso mo lang yan, pero babagsak na yung driver wheel mo. Okay, keep mo na yung line na yan. Okay, diretso. Okay na. Keep mo na yung line na yan. Slow. Kapit mo na yung line na yan.
We reached the descent, a decent-sized rock shelf that looked a lot steeper in person than it did on the map. Going up is a one thing, but going down? That's where it gets technical. No rushing here. Low gear, slow crawl, just letting the truck do the work.
Sige, slow lang. Sige, pagbaba mo konting driver, pagbaba. Sige, driver. Slow.
One tire at a time.
Bagsak na.
Feeling every bump and drop. You want to stay controlled, not slide
Okay,
into
diretso mo lang
trouble. The line was tight, trees to one side,
Driver
a
pa
drop
konti.
to the other.
Sige, diretso mo lang driver.
But with a bit of patience, a good spotter guiding us through, we made it look
Slow, ah.
easy, even if
Sagad mo
our heart
driver, ah.
rates said otherwise.
Parang tatama yung ano mo. Kaya mo mag-reverse ng konti. Pabawi. Sige. Hop. Hop. Sige, bawi na. Yan. Slow. Slow. Slow lang. Bawi na konti. Passenger. Sige, diretso mo na. Konting driver. Sige, bagsak na yung rear mo, ha. Sige, slow. Yan, bawi na. Sige, diretso mo na yung linya na yan. Kuha pa lang yung camera. Okay, diretso. Diretso. Konti driver. Driver. Oh, driver. Okay, driver pa. Off, dandan. Okay, slow. Dito ako sa likod. Okay, babagsak na rear. Good. Yeah, keep mo na yung line na yan. Yon, sheesh.
So I just passed this obstacle, guys. Sheesh. Nakakapagod. Next natin si Jo. Yun na yung rig ko, guys, sa baba. And I'm just gonna spot Jo on his jeep going down this obstacle. Yan, keep lang yan, keep the line. Passenger konti. Okay, drop na yung front, magda-drop yung front. Okay, driver, Jo, driver, full driver. Slow down. Okay, straight. Sige, straight pa. Okay, go driver, Jo, driver. Sige, driver. A little bit passenger, Jo. Passenger konti, Jo. Yan. Stay mo lang dyan. Wait. Okay, driver. Okay, straight na. Passenger. Slow down, Jo. Sheesh! Sige, magdadrop yung gilid mo. Sige. Passenger pa konti. Stop. Slow down. Okay, straight na. Dandahan, dandahan. Slow down. Slow down. Alright, slow down. Yeah, you're good. Yeah, slow down. Passenger. Okay. The dropping. Ay, yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, straight na, Joe. Straight. Go straight. Woo! Alright, you're good. Nice one, Joe. Nice one. Joe!
Langya po.
Joe!
Puro buwis-buhay yung pinagagawa natin, pre.
At least, we're done.
Diba?
Tapos natin yung trail.
You only live once.
Okay, flexi muna. Quick update. Nandito na kami sa general store. So we're just airing up. Tapos din namin yung trail. Jo!
Ay, sarap.
So yeah, we're just airing up. I think we set our tire in 20 psi. So it's gonna be just a quick air up. So hanggang dito na lang tayo. Thank you for watching the video and see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Jo!